Hey there friends, today I am so excited to share with you the April 2022 monthly kit and a lot of add-ons from Elle Studio. So let's get started. First we're going to take a look at the April 2022 monthly kit. So I'm going to pull out the die cut sheets here first because those give us a great idea of what this kit looks like. How beautiful is this? I really love the color combinations here of the coral and the fuchsia and that spring green. So appropriate for this time of year. I really love the quality time together tag and the pops of yellow and they keep smiling, the heart. So pretty. It's awesome to have arrows like this. They really draw your eye to different things on your projects. I love banners. This is just such a happy kit. I can already tell from these die cuts that it's going to be a really fun and colorful kit. So let's take a look at the 4x6s next. We have that beautiful spring green. We have this quad card. Remember this in 4 different colors. This is a cool one to use on its own with journaling in there, or you could cut those apart and use those like as labels. And then we also have this fun yellow stripe too. So let's take a look at the 3x4s. We have a beautiful yellow big hugs. This weekend was filled with purple with these labels and shapes, so remember that later. Making it happen, and it has what, where, when, and why. Monday through Sunday. A colorful stripe with a grid. This light coral color, which I just love. Currently on the playlist, a coral stripe. Floral here. Green kind of vines and leaves. Celebrate, and I love this combination of the teal with that green. It's so springy and fresh. All the good stuff. Life is full of adventure. A little simple lined card with a banner at the top. That pretty light green again. Brighter days ahead. And this green has different spring sayings, good stuff, spring has arrived, enjoying this, grow and bloom. So really fresh vibes, beautiful spring colors, and this is a kit I know I'm going to love working with. Let's take a look at some of the rest of the products this month, the add-ons. They coordinate perfectly with the kit, starting with the April labels. Look how beautiful and soft these colors are. So you're taking all of the softer hues in the kit and putting them on beautiful lined labels. So pretty. These flower die cuts are going to be a big hit. And as usual, Elle packs a ton of die cuts in one pack for you guys, so be sure to check this out in the shop so you can see all of these laid out, because I took a photo with them all laid out. We have these cute little hearts and stars in lots of different colors, yellow and teal and blue and fuchsia and green, pink, just lovely. We have lots of big daisies. And then we have smaller kind of posies that are really colorful. More hearts and stars. We have lots of labels, banners, whatever you want to call them. Kind of like banners with that end. Some more daisies. You have phrase labels as well. I love this one. Fresh cut flowers. Beauty is everywhere. This is my happy place. Bloom and grow. Love. Look at this. There's just so many. Look at all these, you guys. There's tons of flowers. There's leaves. I mean, every color in this kit is represented in this die cut pack, and there are just so many die cuts here. So this is a pack that you'll definitely want to pick up. Awesome value for the price for all that you get in here. Next we have the Easter stickers. So if Easter is one of your favorite holidays and you have to record it, then you'll find stickers for that. You have some icons, you have some words and phrases, a couple of Happy Easter, you have some washies down here, including these colorful Easter eggs. So that is a really fun sticker sheet. This month we have another basic shape sticker, the cardstock basic shape stickers in light fuchsia. So you have that lighter purple hue with all of the shapes that you could ever need. Arrows, circles, banners, labels, just such a great basic shape, great for layering, great for adding to your background. We also have flower puffy stickers, so if you like the flowers in the die cuts, you'll find that's those same flowers here, just in a puffy. So you have some phrases too, you have some raindrops, some clouds. This is a really good one to have to document those spring moments. We also have the fuchsia puffy alphabet stickers, so I am really digging fuchsia right now. It is one of my favorite colors to work with, and we have a new puffy in the shop to coordinate perfectly with the rest of our fuchsia products. We also have the puffy heart and star stickers in warm hues this time. So those beautiful corals and reds and pinks and yellows. I always love these sets. They are so great because they have the outline and the fatter circle and stars in the middle. So tons of use out of this one sheet. I am so excited to introduce you to a brand new paper stack this month. This is called The Best, and I think it's appropriately named because it is gorgeous. Take a look at these patterns. We have a teal star, which you got me right there with the first pattern. A coral, like tiny stripe, diagonal stripe. A green, light green ledger. This really fun, warm hued stripe. It's kind of a hand-drawn stripe. These dots in fuchsia, this color block print, and all the colors. Love that one. It's so happy and fresh. Raindrops in the cooler hues, a blue grid, these Polaroid style gray backgrounds, really fun one. This one says remember this, and all of those beautiful lighter colors that we had in the April labels. Coordinates perfectly with that. Then we have a multicolor polka dot. We have the spring kind of words, outdoor words, hello new day, capture and document big smiles in green. We have the seals pattern in a multicolor, a yellow floral, which is really tiny and really beautiful. I just love that one. And we have the green leaf pattern. So this is the best paper stack, and I definitely think you're going to want to add this to your stash. Last but not least, we have the stamps. We have two large 6x8 stamps this month. These are the basic shape stamps. So you have them in solid and outline. You can use them together to create basic shapes on your backgrounds, to create like little embellishments. You can cut these out, do all sorts of really fun things with these. This is going to be such a cool stamp, or two stamps, to use together on your projects. Last but not least, we have the Big Hug stamp and Big Hugs metal die. This is a great stamp for creating cards. You have some big sentiments here. You have the sun, you have the rainbow, the cloud, the raindrops, phrases that say when it rains look for rainbows, this too shall pass, sending you, and you can put big hugs here, sending you brighter days ahead. There's just so many great sayings here. And then you can cut everything out that you see here with the metal die, so you don't want to miss that in the shop. Thanks so much for joining me today as I unbox the April 2022 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I hope you love these products as much as I do, and be sure to click the information in this video so that you can find the link to the Elle Studio shop to grab them while supplies last. And if you love the monthly kit as much as I do, consider starting a subscription. It's easy, it's hassle-free, and you get special perks like bundled shipping and product discounts. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your April 2022 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio.